Students of class 12 in mathematics, in our previous lecture I have discussed inverse of a square matrix. How can we find out the inverse of a square matrix, and what are the useful result of the invertible matrices? I have described it. Today I am describing system of linear equations. There are two types of system of linear equations. Number one is consistent system of equations. Consistent system of equations. A given system of equation is said to be consistent if it has one or more solutions. अगर एक या एक से अधिक solution है तो system of equation consistent होगा आपका. The next is second number, inconsistent system of equation. A given system of equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. अगर no solution exist करता है तो system of equation आपका inconsistent होगा. तो आपने देखा कि दो तरह के system of linear equations होते हैं. First one is consistent and the second is inconsistent. First में one या more solution exist कर सकते हैं तो आपका consistent system होगा, और अगर no solution exist कर रहा है system of equation का तो inconsistent होगा. Here we have considered the three general equations. The first equation is a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. That is first equation. Second equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2. And the third equation is a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. These three general equations I have taken. Now we assume that these three equations can be written as Ax is equal to b in matrix method. Let Ax is equal to b the given system of equations, and the first point is if determinant A is equal to 0, not equal to 0, determinant A not equal to 0, then the system of equation will be consistent with unique solution. अगर Ax is equal to b के फॉर्म में लिखने के बाद डिटर्मिनेंट A आप देखते हैं नॉट इक्वल टू 0 आ रहा है, तो आपका जो गिवन सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन है वो कंसिस्टेंट होगा और सॉल्यूशन आपका यूनिक होगा. द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज इफ डिटर्मिनेंट A is equal to 0 then we calculate adjoint A into b. अगर डिटर्मिनेंट A 0 आ जाता है तो adjoint A into b निकालना पड़ेगा, and if adjoint A into b is not equal to 0 then the given system of equation is inconsistent with no solution. System of equation यहाँ पे inconsistent होगा और no solution exist करेगा. The third point is if determinant A is equal to 0 and adjoint of A into B is equal to 0 then the given system of equation will be consistent with infinitely many solution. Here we have taken a problem determining whether the given system of equation is consistent or inconsistent. यहाँ पे टू वेरिएबल्स में हमने इक्वेशन लिए हैं दो. आपको बताना है यहाँ पे जो सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन है वो कंसिस्टेंट है या इनकंसिस्टेंट है. जैसा कि अभी हमारा वर्किंग रूल था, सबसे पहले इन इक्वेशन से हम तीन मैट्रिक्स बना लेते हैं. द फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स विल बी ए फ्रॉम द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स वाई, दैट इज 2 5 6 15, एक्स फ्रॉम द वेरिएबल्स एक्स वाई, b 7 13. Now we find first determinant A, that is 2 5 6 15 30 minus 30, that is 0. If determinant A is equal to 0 then we find out adjoint A into B. First we find out adjoint A. Since it is 2 by 2 matrix, so adjoint of 2 by 2 matrix we can directly find out. The diagonal elements will be interchanged and non-diagonal elements will be multiplied by minus sign. 15 2 minus 6 minus 5 adjoint A, and the matrix B is 7 13. Now we find out the product of adjoint A into B. 15 minus 5 minus 6 to 7 13, that is 105 minus 65 minus 42 plus 26. If we solve it, 0, 4, 40, and this is 6 minus 16, and this is not equal to 0. Adjoint A into B not equal to 0, and determinant A is equal to 0. So the system of equation is inconsistent. The system of equation is inconsistent with no solution. यहाँ पे सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन इनकंसिस्टेंट होगा और सोल्यूशन हमारा नो सोल्यूशन होगा. These are the three general equations in three variables: a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1, a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. These three equations in matrix method we can write it as ax is equal to b. Ax is equal to b is the matrix form of these three equations. How can we solve the matrix equation ax is equal to b? ये मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन जो बन रही है ax is equal to b, हम इसको किस तरह से सॉल्व करेंगे? इसको सॉल्व करने के लिए आप दोनों तरफ LHS और RHS दोनों साइड a इनवर्स से मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए. मल्टीप्लाई by a inverse on both sides. Then a inverse a into x is equal to, this is identity matrix, x a inverse b, identity into x, x is equal to a inverse b. If ax is equal to b is any matrix equation, then solution of this matrix equation will be x is equal to a inverse b. A inverse b, I have already told you that a inverse will be equal to adjoint of a upon determinant a, and determinant a must be not equal to 0. A inverse will exist if adjoint a upon determinant a and determinant a is not equal to 0. अगर ax is equal to b कोई मैट्रिक्स इक्वेशन है तो उसका सोल्यूशन x is equal to a इनवर्स b फॉर्म से हम निकाल सकते हैं. यहाँ पे ये ध्यान रखना है कि जो मैट्रिक्स a होगी आपकी उसका डिटर्मिनेंट नॉट इक्वल टू 0 होना चाहिए. इस केस में हमने बताया कि आपका यूनिक सॉल्यूशन होगा और सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन आपका कंसिस्टेंट होगा.